I'm fitting a coax plug to a coax cable, but this particular one will be permanently fitted. You will not be able to remove it afterwards. First of all, what I'm going to do is to strip back the outer insulation from the cable and then cut off the foil. Next is to cut the inner insulation off to reveal the copper core. Now I'm trimming it up. As soon as I've done that, I will slide the screw cap over and then the clamp. Finally, put the main body and screw together. When I've done that, I'm now going to use these long nose pliers and I'm going to squeeze the top. Now, when it's finished, it won't look pretty, but it will stop you from undoing the screw cap. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe.